my name's Connor and welcome to my TED Talk. Right, bonjour. We've got another video. Going to be getting, what's it called? Porsche 904. Running today, hopefully. It's what's wrong with it? It's got no fuel pump. Fuel pump shit itself. Previous owner, what was it? Broke the pins of terminals off because it's like a Porsche 044 where they screw in. So got a new one. So I'm gonna fit that. This engine ain't running. Fucking God knows how long. That's a lie actually. I got it running on brake cleaner a couple of months ago. That's when we found out it had no fuel, so we know it's got spark. So the plan is put a fuel pump in it, see if we can get idling, get to move under its own power, and then it needs brakes. It's got no brakes whatsoever at the minute, so hopefully there's not a problem with that because I don't really need fluid in it. So if it's leaked out, there might be corroded line, burst line, stuff like that. If that's the case, then we'll have to make a new line up. But yeah, let's get to it. This is said crusty 944. It's not actually that bad. It just needs a good cut and compound, that's for sure. Other than that, it's pretty straight. But I'll open the bonnet in a minute. I'm just waiting for the keys to arrive. It's a 2.5, if I remember rightly. 4-banger. It's not the 3 litre. Or the turbo. But need to fix the roof as well because that's leaking. So it's probably just crusty seals, but we'll give it a go. See what happens. Oh. Wait. Look at that. There's the old shitty fuel pump. Mounts on that piece of shit there. That's very crusty. It wasn't actually attached from the previous owner, acting like a welly. But I need to somehow get this terminal off without up. Well, I was saying that there are no crimps, so I could just trim it. No, I'll do it properly. Well, let me get that off because I can't do it with one hand. Right, look at that, off. Shiny new one. That was an absolute prick of a banjo to get undone, but I've done it. Now to see if there's actually any fuel. Please don't spray everywhere. Oh, we're bone dry. It's alright, it's safe.
Told ya.
Lovely stuff. I did wonder why there was 2 Jubilee clips on them. Oh, what a beauty. Boom. What have I done with it? Where's this lid? Up there. Right, okay. Oh shit, I've dropped the O-ring so I can see it. O-ring. Nut. Oh, there's something crawling in my ear. It's my dick. Beauty. Boom. Smashed it. Boom. It's in with factory approved mounting solution, i.e. cable ties. Now to put some fuel in it and see if it works.
Sit in properly.
Oh, no. Sure you'll be right. Yeah, that battery's dead as a dodo, my boy. That is kaput. Yeah. Got a flat battery. Flat flattery.
Flattery.
My name's Connor and welcome to my TED Talk. Brake cleaner. It's now got a new fuel pump. It's fitted. Starter might be seized, but we'll find out in a minute. We're going to get Mitch to crank it over, see if it does anything.
Shall I get cooler?
Nah, it'll be right for a minute. I won't get that one. Make sure it's not in gear so you don't turn my legs to red mist. Right, okay. Here you go. Needs a bit of go-go juice for the battery. Turning over. The leads are getting a bit warm. Need a spanner. There's a loose connection. Have you got your jump leads?
Yes.
Can you grab them? I want to put temporary ground from the block straight to the battery terminal. Give it a little bump. Just quickly, just bump, just see if it does, if it makes a difference. You got a shitty ground, my boy. This isn't the best way of doing it, but it works. Gonna put a link across everything. Ready? Give it a bump. Huh? No, go on. No. Need more juice. Right, so I've had to put a bit of a dodgy old setup in here. Just connecting some extra grounds up because it's turning a bit slow. But it is turning, which is a good thing. But I mean, if it turns a little bit now, it'll get some oil across the engine. So let me give it a rev. I said no, just try turning it over. Go on. What? Stop. I don't know if this battery's any fucking good. Well, cause what's changed since the last time we started? Other than the battery? So was that the beat? We walked it under the skin. So we pushed it out, pushed it back in. But that battery is a fucking hell of a lot since. Yeah, but it's died how many times? Battery's probably cooked. Let me see what voltage is actually on it. You check with me now. Right. So we've come to the conclusion that the battery's toast. My meter's sucking voltage out of it. So that means the cells are broken down and they need to replace it. Well, not replace it, but the battery needs replacing. If this was India, they like replacing weird shit like that, so they would have sorted that out, but yeah, ain't. And no one fucking does it here, so to the bin with that one, to the shop for a new one.